Welcome back to isolation. What do you do when you're isolated? You work, you clean, you cook, you bake, and you repeat. Isolation 101, 5 things. So, let's just bake today. Banana bread, I guess so. No, I'm joking. Let's just make some banana bread. Heaps of fun, guys. Hey guys, for our recipe today, we have 2 near-dead bananas, just like my avocado from my guacamole recipe, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of soy milk, which I've turned into buttermilk by adding half a teaspoon of vinegar, or if you don't have that, just half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Add it to room temperature soy milk and let it sit there for 15-30 minutes. Also in there's half a cup of vegetable oil, there's 1 cup of white sugar, which is in there, and then half a cup of brown sugar, 1 3/4 cups of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of soda, like so baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of just any salt you have at home, vanilla bean paste, a whisk, mash up, and then mixing bowl with my reflection right there. So guys, once that's done, put this into your preheated oven for an hour.
One hour later.
So now get a big ass knife and stick it in there. Well, probably maybe another 5 minutes. I'm going to pump the heat up to 200°C and keep it there for about another 5.
15 minutes later.
So get a new knife again. Perfect. Now let this cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before you cut it up, toast it, slather it with some butter. So that was our banana bread recipe. Make sure you use brown ass stinky bananas. Don't use just fresh ass green or yellow ones. They never work. And the more bananas you use, the better it gets. So bake it, let me know how it goes, and just follow me if you want more recipes. If not, just spend isolation by yourself.